On March 9th, I had just uploaded my very first video to YouTube. At that time, I had 0 subscribers, and the future of my channel was uncertain. But guess what? Within a mere 10 days, that same video gained an astounding 1,000 subscribers and garnered an impressive 20,000 views. And the best part? I achieved this without any external promotions or relying on larger channels for views. It was all about investing time, focus, and delivering top-notch quality content. Now, let's take a closer look at the statistics leading up to the magical moment when the YouTube algorithm kicked in. In the first 48 hours, the video had a click-through rate of 12.5%, with only 88 impressions. The average view duration was a remarkable 3 minutes and 56 seconds, accounting for 75% of the video's length. By the third day, the impressions increased to a staggering 5,000, and the click-through rate remained steady at around 9.2%, with the average view duration stabilizing at 2 minutes, or 40% of the total video time. While we can't access YouTube surveys directly, there are 3 key indicators we can use to gauge viewer satisfaction: the views to likes ratio, views to comments ratio, and views to subscriber ratio. On average, these ratios are around 4% for likes, 0.5% for comments, and 0.5% for subscribers. But hold on to your seats because our video smashed those numbers. In the first 3 days with just 470 views, we achieved a mind-blowing likes to views ratio of 110, a comments to views ratio of 120, and an astonishing subscriber ratio of 1 subscriber for every 13.8 views. These numbers are way beyond the typical average range and show the immense potential for growth. Now see the secret strategies which lead me to achieve this target. 1. Captivating thumbnails and titles. We want to create that irresistible urge for people to click on our videos. Take inspiration from successful videos in your niche and level it up. For example, if titles like, "How to Make Passive Income on YouTube," are popular, why not kick it up a notch with, "How to Make Passive Income with 1 video on YouTube." It's all about standing out and leaving your audience curious to learn more. 2. Powerful thumbnail design. When it comes to thumbnails, remember that less is more. Aim for clean and visually striking thumbnails. Limit your text to a maximum of 3 words and ensure the colors contrast well with the background. To find complementary colors, you can use websites like color.adobe.com. Additionally, check your thumbnails on thumbsup.tv to ensure they are visible on various devices and screen sizes. 3. Scripting for focus and impact. Your script is the backbone of your video, and proper structuring is crucial. Begin by creating a clear outline with topic titles to guide your content. Each segment should deliver value to your viewers and keep them engaged. Once you have your outline, start writing your script, focusing on clarity and impact. Don't be afraid to inject your personality and enthusiasm into your delivery. This will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. And there you have it, my friends. The strategies and insights that propelled my channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 1 week with a single video. Remember, it's all about captivating thumbnails and titles, powerful design choices, and scripting for focus and impact. Stay consistent, keep delivering high-quality content, and who knows? Maybe you'll be sharing your own success story soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow